What it do, Internet? This is This Weekend, where we give a retrospective view of this week in past decades. I'm your host, Kuwaker.
I'm Oates.
And I'm Big Tom.
All right, Killer Team, what happened this week in the third week of January, all the way back in 1982? Oates.
Oh, okay. We got the New York Islanders begin the NHL record with a 15-game winning streak. And that's how beginning.
You know,
beginning of the season.
I just realized I was supposed to give Big Tom the first
it's
one.
It's all good.
So it's
no,
okay.
no, because it's I think it's like nice poetic justice if he has the last one.
Oh, okay. I'll go.
I mean the next one, yeah.
I'll just take the second one and then.
What do you mean?
This week in 82, 75% of North America is covered by snow. So I'm thinking just Cali was not.
What's it usually covered by?
Water.
No. I'm thinking land.
Isn't it like 50% snow all the time in North America? Canada, isn't it? I think.
They are North America.
Yeah, there is North America. You know what? I was only thinking about us.
The 48
Selfish.
states.
It's racial.
It's racial. All right, man. Big Tom.
No,
Why don't you go ahead and bring it home?
I'm not going to do this.
He's going to bring this
It
home.
makes sense that it should have been Reunitis.
But it's
Let him
But
do
no,
it. No. Let him do
You
it.
know what? I want to make a segue, so go ahead and say this.
No, let
I
him
wanna
do
make
it.
Go ahead, Ray. Go ahead.
The San Francisco Super Bowl winners. The Super Bowl 16s like Super Joe Montana. Who was this cool? Joe Cool. At the Pontiac Silverdome in Pontiac, Michigan, San Francisco 49ers beat the Bengals, the Cincinnati Bungles, 26-21. MVP, of course, Cool Joe Montana.
Two things I want to say about this. This is the game that Chris Collingworth forever talks about because he had that one, the player on his
That's
team.
why he hates the Niners.
He hates the Niners.
If you ever listen to him commentate against any Niner game, he'll be like,
Yeah. And the second
he be
thing,
hating.
He played in that game, though, right?
Yeah, you got to win out. What? Take that L, son.
Did he go for over 100 yards? I thought he did.
And with the L.
With the
He
L.
could have got 500 yards.
Boomer was out there throwing his ass
Hey, the
off.
Bengals were good.
It was 26-21. I mean, it wasn't like it was a blowout.
Boomer.
Okay, top 5 songs on the radio this week. Number 5, "Harden My Heart" by Quarter Flash.
Yeah. That's a good song. The James Harden My Heart. You know, Harden My Heart.
It's tearing up my heart.
No! Dang it.
Number 4.
Everyone was born
I
yet.
can't go for that. Hall & Oates.
Oh, yeah. Hey, man, that's a
Hall
deadly
& Oates.
combo right there.
Oates.
I stay bumping Hall & Oates every day.
I know. You actually, this is not something that he's just saying for
I
the
stay
show.
bumping Hall &
He
Oates.
stays
I love
bumping.
Hall & Oates.
Sometimes when I'm on listen to the Alexa, I'm like, Alexa, play Hall & Oates greatest hits.
What I want, you got it. No, that's my favorite Hall & Oates
She's a
song.
rich girl.
Yes, that's it. See?
Reunitis. Number 3.
The Jay Gales Band? Centerfold.
Giles.
Giles.
Yeah.
Jay Giles, man.
Yeah, I forgot how that beat went, but I think it had a nice bass line to it. Ah, dang it.
Number 2.
I've been waiting for a girl like you.
Foreigner.
Rocky.
Was that Rocky?
No, they said Rocky.
No, that was it Foreigner?
Hearts on Fire? Did I miss it? Sorry.
Oh, Eye of the Tiger.
Survivor.
Survivor.
Yeah.
I always get them mixed up. Thank you, Tom. Big
And
Tom.
the number 1 song, "Let's Get Physical, Physical. I wanna get physical."
And when you hear that song,
1980s porn. She was in the.
oh, see, I was about to say, what movie? What does it remind you of when you hear that song?
A bunch of beefcakes with linguists
I thought
doing some. Let me hear you.
I was thinking Despicable
And
Me
mullets. Despicable 3, that's not what I think of when I hear it.
Hey, Olivia Newton-John was hot though. Stud.
Movies released this week in the third week of January in 1982. The Seduction, starring Morgan Fairchild when she actually looked good.
Should have good.
Vincent Edwards,
Yeah,
Andrew
82.
Stevens,
Yeah.
and Colleen
Yeah.
Camp. Box office on this one, $11.4 million.
Morgan Fairchild can seduce. Back then.
The femme fatale.
Sexy.
Big Tom.
Also in theaters, Shoot the Moon, starring Albert Finney, Diane Keaton, Karen Allen, and RoboCop.
Yeah.
Box office $9.2 million.
And the good RoboCop, not the bad one.
No,
Joel Kinnaman?
RoboCop.
Shout out to Joel Kinnaman. Shout out.
There's
Shout
only
out
one
Joel
RoboCop.
Who was the
Damn,
one
baby.
that with RoboCop and RoboCop 3?
Dead or alive. You're coming
It's
with
only
me.
Peter Weller.
Peter Weller.
Well, there.
Ray
That's
Knight.
Peter Weller. Also, we got a movie called Taps, starring George C. Scott, Timothy Hutton, and Ronnie Cox.
Ha!
And Gregory
you know what?
Hines
I was
and
thinking
Sammy
Gregory.
Davis Jr.
I was thinking, hey, Gregory Hines in this movie.
35 million and some change.
No, this is the one where the kids,
Alan.
where the kids took over the school, right?
Yeah.
They was all huddled in, and they was like taps. And
Yeah, something like that.
Taps in that ass.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Nostalgia is addictive, and we're here to deliver a fatty-sized dose of it.
Please like, share, and we'd like to hear what you think.
Leave us a comment down below and let your opinion be heard.
And this was
What
what
it
it
was.
was.
Damn, I forgot how Centerfold's way.
You know what?
Adonis, pull yourself together.